Hey guys, what's going on? Mark Munciardini here. In this video, I just want to give you my full review on Legendary Marketer. This is going to be my experience in the first 3 weeks by promoting this platform, and hasn't even been a full month yet. So you can see my results up here on the screen, just getting the day started today. And then yesterday had a pretty nice day, the last 7 days, of course, and then the last 30 days. So now, I don't know where you are. If you've been thinking about joining, or maybe you're on the fence, I'm just going to share with you my experience with the platform and tell you exactly what I did, okay? Now, before this, I was also involved with some other business opportunities, okay? Just creating my YouTube channel, going through the experience, and learning different things. I started promoting other platforms, and I was just testing the waters, right? I found one that I thought looked really, really good. I was driving tons of traffic, I had hundreds of signups. And the thing is, though, I just really I wasn't making the income to show for it. There was lots of cancellations. There was lots of refunds with these other companies. And so I felt like I was spending and sending a lot of traffic and working really hard on it, but I just really didn't get much out of it. And I knew a couple people online that were also promoting Legendary Marketer, and so I saw that they're getting results. They're getting paid. They're actually making money. The companies are paying them, unlike some other experiences that I've had. And so I thought, okay, well, let's go ahead and jump in here and see what's going on. So that's kind of like how it all started. So I got signed up. I did exactly what they told me to do. I got in touch with my coach. I went through the core 15 steps inside the system, which are really, really good. Lots of good information and videos about creating a sustainable online business. And so that's all good. But I got back in touch with my coach on a regular basis, did exactly what they said, followed the system, and then I started driving traffic to it. I drove traffic through my YouTube channel. I drove traffic to it from my email list, which is what I still do today. And these are the results. So whatever you see here. Now, comparing this platform and company to other business opportunities that I've been a part of, Legendary Marketer has been nothing but like state of the art. The professionalism behind this system has blown me away. Okay, everything from the stats, the accuracy, just the website design in general, the customer support, everything, the coach, the scheduling, the way they've constructed everything, the infrastructure of the website, it's just top notch. So that part about it, that blew me away. And at that point, I kind of felt like I was in a better place. And I wasn't surprised. When I started driving traffic to it, I had people just signing up left and right. Blew me away. And within the first week and a half, I had my first high-ticket sale, which I didn't even sell. This is all done from a coach. They're doing the selling for me, and I'm getting a big chunk of that affiliate commission, okay? Like $1,000. So this is a high-ticket affiliate system. You have your front-end offers, which are much smaller, but you also have your higher ticket products in the back end. And, the coach is going to close those for you. And when they do that, you get a huge commission from that. Just yesterday, I closed 2 sales yesterday of the higher ticket items, and I've earned over $2,000. So that's just phenomenal. I have never seen these results before in this short amount of time with any other system or platform that I've been a part of. So that's basically all there is to it. There's only a couple pages, funnels to use. They don't have a huge database of different things. It's very simple to just go in there and grab the different funnels and pages that they tell you to drive traffic to. And David Sharp's funnels convert. They convert like crazy. That part about it just totally blew me away. So But that's really all that's my experience. You're going to sign up. You're going to get an e-wallet. You're going to have to make an e-wallet account. And then, because your funds are going to be transferred to that. And the training inside of this is just epic. I mean, I'm completely blown away. I have not even been through all the training, but what I've seen so far, most of it, nothing you can find on the internet, can't find it on YouTube. At least I've never seen it. About marketing, attraction marketing, how to get the best results with this system, how to become a professional marketer, and all that good stuff. Completely blown away. They just added some more content to it as well. I purchased the one of the products inside of the platform, and without even having to buy anything more, they just keep adding more content to that product. So that was awesome. And that's basically my experience, guys. It's pretty simple. I don't really know what else to add to this, but this is my primary opportunity right now. This is my number one recommended opportunity. This is what I'm promoting on my YouTube channel. This is what I talk about on my email platform. And so there you go. If you're thinking about jumping in, go for it. If you're not, take your time. I don't recommend rushing into anything. I know I did that one time. I lost a lot of money. But if you decide to get in and try it out, if you don't like it, you can cancel. You can get your money back. The company has a policy, okay? And they stick by that, and it works very, very well, okay? But I would say if you're serious about changing things for your life, if you really want to learn about marketing, how to create a sustainable, legitimate online business, this system is going to teach you all of that with the videos that are inside the platform. And there are a lot of things that, I've been doing business online for over 15 years. And there are a lot of things that I didn't know. So you've got David Sharp, seven-figure income earner. He's back there teaching you everything that he knows on creating a successful online business. So, yeah. So there you go. I hope this helps you guys out in making a decision with the platform, or if you want to know a little bit more about it, reach out to me anytime. But there you guys go. Hope this was helpful for you. If you guys want to jump in, yes, I do have my affiliate link down below in the description of this video, and that will take you over so you guys can get more information on how to join. Okay. I also have another video that will walk you through some more of my results using this platform. So make it an awesome day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Talk to you later.